Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we'll be covering some amazing and powerful machines, from stump removers to truck crushers. But before moving on, remember to give this video a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more great content like this. Red Roo Equipment. This SG30 TRX stump grinder from Red Roo Equipment is a powerful machine designed for high performance. It comes with a 31 horsepower Briggs & Stratton V-twin Vanguard engine and has a 2.5 meter, 134 degree cutting radius. The SG30 TRX has joystick controlled movement of the grinding disc, which itself operates without any belts to the cutting wheel. Its compact size lets it fit through gates as little as 35 inches, and its 1,750 pound frame keeps it stable and perpetually effective. In short, this machine is fast and effective, giving it the utmost utility. This next clip from Trekkerweb shows an immense deep sitter. This machine comes from the decades of experience the immense company has building machines for furrowing and breaking up soil layers suitable for most any tractor and at depths of up to 135 centimeters. The claws help to break up the deep soil layers, and the roller helps to compact the soil to prevent excess erosion. No doubt this machine can help till almost any field. Up next, we have an Oversim TV1000 snowblower. This behemoth of a snowblower is designed for the rapid removal of snow at airports. Its dual Volvo Penta diesel engines provide it with 1,000 horsepower. It can cut out layers with depths of up to 2 meters and the capacity to clear 7,500 metric tons of snow per hour. Its maneuverable cab allows for an extremely high degree of visibility for any requirement. Next up from MEISTERKRAN, we have the TC100 transport system. This machine can do more than simply carry heavy loads. It is able to do things that would be nearly impossible for any regular transport vehicle to accomplish. Its low profile and track design make it excellent for carrying heavy loads up and down even the steepest of slopes, all the while maintaining an excellent turning radius. The Comtech Chippo 8010 is an incredible wood chipping machine. It comes with a CAT C18 engine, providing it with 780 horsepower, and a user-operated claw with a cabin to insert logs into the chipper. It also has a splitting unit to make feeding large logs possible. The feeder opening has a profile of 75 by 100 centimeters, allowing for some huge loads. It is able to output as much as 320 cubic meters of material an hour and discharge it up to 20 meters away. The Titan 4320J from Uniforest is an amazing firewood processor tractor attachment. It is able to split logs with a diameter of up to 43 centimeters with 20 tons of force. It starts off by cutting the logs into pieces between 25 and 50 centimeters in length, using its robust and powerful chainsaw. Then it hydraulically presses these pieces through a splitting knife, creating perfectly cut pieces of firewood. With its many adjustable features and add-ons, it's an incredibly useful machine. This next machine and skid steer add-on is the Bobcat tree spade attachment. It is able to be attached to a variety of loaders. After the spades wrap up around the tree, the rear stabilizers are lowered to apply weight onto the spades. Once this is done, the spades are lowered further to cut the roots and remove the tree. Clearly, it's a highly effective machine that makes tree transplantation easy. The Savannah Global Model 1720 is an amazing stump puller tractor attachment. It's able to pull stumps 4 to 23 inches in diameter under a variety of soil conditions. After removal, the rotary rake tumbles the stumps into windrows free of soil to be burned or ground in the field. At an optimal drive speed of 3 to 4.5 miles per hour, it is able to cover 3 to 4 acres per hour. The machine you're watching now is a V-shaped plow-based trencher. The ingenious plow design ensures minimal disruption and no soil mixing. With this plow, 1.8 meters of depth can be reached. These machines are preferred for the installation of field drainage in wheat stubble. The 500 horsepower MTU engine makes this machine unstoppable, whereas the built-in GPS helps a lot while driving and keeping the depth and grade correct. In a word, this beast is unquestionably a wonder. You may have seen many monstrous machines before, but none of them could touch this beast. This next-level demolishing head could cut and smash anything you want, even through another bulldozer. The teeth of this beast are made up of hadrox that gives ultra toughness against any hard material. However, if desired, you can swap them with a variety of others. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. What did you think of these technologies? Let us know down in the comments below. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified when we release new content.